Hi friends. How are you all? I hope you all well in this situation. I am still well and welcome to my channel Tutul portal. Today I am going to show you how to make this login form using HTML5 and CSS3. For this tutorial you just need a good internet connection, a text editor and a browser, so without wasting any time let's begin the tutorial. First I wanna say, subscribe my channel if you didn't yet, for that you will get regular update of my channel. First create a empty txt file. And rename it to index.html. Now rename it to style.css. Now open this login form folder to the text editor. This is the important typography file for this tutorial. Don't worry, I will give the download link of this file with the source code in the description. Now create a simple HTML structure. Now just follow me and watch the full structure I am creating. Now copy and paste this fontism CDN from my typography. Do it exactly what I am doing. For view the results just save this file and open in browser. Now type in Google Font Awesome 4.7 icon and open the first link. Type here user and select this user icon. Copy this icon's code. And paste it here before the login text. Good. Now we will create form. Just do it what I am doing here. Yes. We have created our login form. Now we will design it with CSS coding. Now copy this Google font link and paste it here top of this CSS file. And keep following me and see what I am doing. Write font family Popkins inside single quote. Good. Now select container class and write these codes. Now select inner container class and write these code. Now the most important things, that is box shadow. Copy the exact code from my typography for box shadow. Olive. It's working. Cool. Now select Avatar class and write the codes. Inside the avatar and under the H2 tag select Fa Clap and change the color from my typography. Now keep following me. Cool. Now we will design the form. Select the form class. Under this form we have 4 different div. We will design them one by one. Just keep following me. Cool. Now we will design the login button. Now copy the box shadow code from my typography. And paste it. Do the same for hover effect. Good. We almost done. Lastly, now design the link text class. Follow me what I am doing. Wow! We have made the login form. Thanks for watching our tutorial. If you learned something from our tutorial, then press the like button, share with your friend, and comment down below your opinion. And tell me what kind of tutorial you want next. Bye bye. Be safe from coronavirus.